मनू यांच्यात छोटू कोण आहे? त्यांच्यात रे. हां, आणि मोठा कोण आहे? वा वा, थँक्यू मनू. बिग. बिग. येस. स्मॉल. Hello everyone, hi, how are you? I hope you all are well. So as promised in previous video of shapes, today we will talk about sizes. Those people who are watching this video for the first time, for them I want to tell that here on this platform we discuss things regarding peaceful parenting, some easy and productive activities for kids, and many more. So please watch our playlist of development activities for toddlers. And if you like the videos, then please press thumbs up for us and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start. Today's topic is sizes. When I started to explore this topic, then I thought it's quite boring as they are quite natural things from our life, and I also thought my son is very young to discover these things. But you know what, I was really happily wrong when I found out these techniques and shared with him, and bang on, he was really excited to uncover these ways. So I'm going to share with you 7 easy, funny, indoor and almost zero cost techniques for teaching sizes. So let's go. Flashcards. First thing first, when your kid starts to develop understanding into the world, your first task for teaching sizes is to let them differentiate between big and small things in day-to-day life. Let them identify between these objects visually, and by using flashcards you can do it very well. Sorting and matching game. Once kids started recognizing big and small things, try mix them up with 3D daily objects which we use in our daily life. Tell them to match big object to the big one and small to the small. This will also boost their visual knowledge which they have seen before. Paper tape. This activity is more fun when it is played outside, but now you never know when things can be better outdoors and our kid can play freely. That's why we have to select an option of doing all these things indoors. So for this activity you need a paper tape, or colorful chalks would be also fine. You can mark different sizes of big and small of the floor, trying to make them more attractive, and play with your kids by asking them to step in big or small places. This can also help in boosting the motor skills of your kids. Telling you personally, my son really loves this game. We both enjoy this activity, and this can also help you to keep your kid engaged in some activities. 3D things. Mostly as of now we can consider kids have become acquainted with big and small things and match them up with flashcards they see. So now let's just keep 3D objects in front of them. That can be from toys or from your kitchen or any household things. Just make sure that they are not pointed and too small, so that they can also play and hold them properly, and ask them to recognize which is big and which is small. पिलू, मोठा डग कोणता आहे? ये. आणि छोटू डग कोणता आहे? शाबाश म्हणा. Leads and jars. Well, you might have seen this in one of our previous videos where we just started Ridhansh to teach shapes and sizes with bunch of leads and jars kept in front of him, and to see if he is able to identify the caps of leads and jars. But it was really surprising for us when he could really fix them. Box puzzle. This one game you can make from cardboard. Cut them with different sizes and ask your kids to put the things of respective sizes in their respective part. Give it a try, your kids will surely like it. putting things one into one another. This activity is like one to test the motor skills for your kids. After knowing shapes and sizes, keep some jars in front of kids and asking them to put into one into another.
यामध्ये सगळ्यात छोटू छोटू कोणता आहे? ये आणि सगळ्यात मोठा कोणता आहे? येस, शाबास. हे टाक एकात एक सगळे. ग्रेट.
So guys, this was all from our side. These kind of activities of shapes and sizes you can start teaching to your toddlers as they improve their understanding. If you like this, please try these activities with your kids and share your experience in comment section below. Thank you so much. See you in next video. Bye.